Today I have been, I guess, subscribed to Stitch Fix for a few weeks now. Just kind of testing it out, testing the waters kind of thing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my third box, so let's get to it. Let's see what we got. So my stylist's name that I have is Shelby. I'm excited. Let's do it. Ooh, okay. So we have this. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a purple kind of, ooh, that might be kind of low on me. But it's just a little t-shirt, real flowy material. It feels kind of like an athleisure kind of thing. It's very comfortable, like PJ material. Let's throw these on and see what they look like. Okay, so this is the top. I actually really love it. It's really slimming and flattering on me. It's like the high-low kind of thing. And it has this like kind of crisscrossy detail, which I thought was gonna be like crazy low on me. But I don't know, it might not be. So I don't know, I really like this. We have this shirt, which is kind of giving me like a peasant top kind of feeling. So it's like this. So you've got these little thin straps with the like off the shoulder, like, what's that called? The, oh, cold shoulder. And then it's just got these little button details that go all the way to the bottom. And it's just simple in the back, so I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you guys know that there's no clip of me actually showing you what the shirt looks like on, because it was just very, very see-through. You could see my bra and my skin through the shirt, and I just didn't feel comfortable showing that fully on camera, so that's why there's not really a clip in it. Okay, back. Bye. Let's move on, shall we? Next up, we have what looks to be like a cardigan. And no, whoa, I'm confused. Oh, I think this might be a, yeah, this is like one of those like super big little sweater things, and there's like a super big kind of collar sort of thing to it, and you just like fold it down and then like drapes mid-length. Oh my gosh, I had things like this pinned on my Pinterest. I'm obsessed with it, and you guys, this is so soft. Like, I need this in a blanket. Let's put it on. Okay, so what I like about this is there's many ways to wear it because of this neckline. I've seen some people kind of do the like fancy little, like, you pull it off of like both shoulder sweater thing, and then they wear it like this. You know, like super cute, a little bit of like flirty, really cute. You can even do it like one way and just have like one shoulder. There's many ways to play with this, and I really like that. Even if you don't want to show any shoulder, you can just have like almost like a scarf fit with this sweater and just let it kind of play with it and just like bunch it up and just let it kind of fall. Sorry, my mirror is over here, so I'm looking that way. But it's really cute. This is, actually, I'm kind of getting hot. I'm like, this is warm. I don't know. I really like this, but I'm not absolutely in love with it. We have two more items. We have a pair of black skinny jeans, which I have like 3 pairs, and they have like this high-waisted kind of 3-button detail with these like stripes. I don't know if you can see. And then they just get skinny at the bottom. So let's throw these bad boys on. Okay, so it's gonna be really hard to show you guys. But these are the pants. They have the 3-button detail. They're actually kind of big, a little bit bigger for my liking. They're really stretchy, but they're not the best. And then I don't know if you can tell, but like the pants are shorter in the front and then the back gets longer. I know that's a really big fashion statement in jeans, but I don't like it. And last but not least, we have a bag. And I love bags, you guys. I'm obsessed with bags. And oh my gosh, this is cute. So, it's this black kind of detailed, and then it's just gonna open up here. Comes with a little chain, gold chain. Doesn't look like there's a ton of room inside, but there's like a little pocket right here. And that's about it. This could hold like my phone and a few makeup pieces. But let's throw this on a couple ways and let's see how, ooh, okay. Okay, I'm digging this. How does it look like? Is it too short to do it this way? I don't know. I don't hate it crossbody. It's not horrible, but it's not also my favorite. And then of course, if you want to take off, it also comes with a way to remove the chain strap. They're not, so I can remove that and just carry it as a clutch, which would be like so. Ooh, cute! Kind of on a budget right now, but I'd say my favorites would probably be the clutch, the purple top, and then I'm kind of iffy about this one. I'm not gonna keep the jeans, and the white peasant top I'm not gonna keep either. I think the thing that will be hardest for me would be that purple top because it fit really well, it was comfy, it was extremely flattering. It was one of my favorite colors, like I love pretty much all shades of purple, but that's all. So I hope you guys liked it. I'm still trying to kind of experiment with how to film these types of videos because I don't have a clue. I've never done anything like this, so, and my spacing is kind of awkward. I may try it a few different times and get the hang of it, but if you guys like this video, please comment down below and let me know. I would love to keep doing something like this if you guys are into this, so just let me know. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Bye!